With assembly elections just weeks away, generating funds and mobilizing workers is a big challenge for parties. And in Delhi, the Aam Aadmi Party is relying on volunteers, many of whom have put their jobs on hold to work for the party.
T.N. Panchapakasan, or TPN as he is known to his colleagues, was responsible for running one of India's leading BPOs. But one day he decided to be the change. He quit his COO's job and joined the Aam Aadmi Party as a volunteer and is now a key part of the legal and media outreach team of the party.
And there is some ray of hope where a common man has to come out and contribute. So I thought you won't get this opportunity again.
Panchapakasan is not alone. Dr. Munish Kumar, a specialist doctor working with newborn babies in Chicago, has put his job on hold and joined the Aam Aadmi Party in Delhi.
Well, this was a difficult decision, as you can understand, but they are supporting me fully.
For the past few weeks, Munish has been busy coordinating with potential NRI donors. So far, almost a quarter of the 13 crore rupees collected for the party has come from NRIs. The Aam Aadmi Party knows that it may be very tough to compete with the big parties when it's a matter of resources, financial resources, but they say that they make up more than many more times as far as volunteers are concerned, volunteers who give their free time, and they could be the tipping force as far as the elections is concerned. And then there are people like the Bansals who have temporarily shut down their small jewelry shop to come and help out at the Aam Aadmi Party New Delhi headquarters, even if that means working in the kitchen. They spend almost 12 hours here, while their eldest son looks after the 3 other children at home.
अब कुछ लोगों ने मेरे से कहा कि भाई आपका घर का खर्च कैसे चलता है, आपने दुकान बंद कर दी, अपनी पार्टी के लिए दुकान बंद कर दी, तो मैं कहा दुकान कमाई तो मैं बाद में भी कर लूँगा अगर देश बच गया तो.
Aam Aadmi Party says that every day more than 50 new volunteers join, and while Delhi is the immediate goal, many hope that this will just be the start.
We are prepared even to fight there in Hyderabad, Andhra Pradesh or Telangana also. We have already built up an organization to a great level, but we are waiting for the success should come here at Delhi first.
In New Delhi, Siddharth Pandey for NDTV.